You're setting money on fire if you're just throwing products onto TikTok Shop without optimizing them first. Here's the exact steps to get your listings seen and bought. And it's just basic optimization is what we're talking about. If you haven't signed up for TikTok Shop, you can definitely sign up. That's the link right there. It's a weird link, but you can always Google TikTok Shop sign up USA, and then you can just sign up for the TikTok Shop. It's not super difficult to sign up, right? And we're going over the optimization checklist. And right, it might seem basic to a lot of people, but it's not getting done for most sellers. Even if you have a pretty good seller, you can always make it better. And we're going over the titles, the descriptions, videos on the listing. Do you have good lifestyle images, secondary images? Does your first photo stand out? And I highlighted that in green because it's the most important. Are you in stock? Free shipping? Is your price too high? Right? A lot of this is going to be price sensitive. Of course, with most marketplaces, they are very price sensitive when you first start. So make sure that you keep that in mind at the end of the day, right? This is a nice little checklist where you can just go through on your listing. And checklists are so important because you'll notice that there's listings that might be doing pretty decent, but they could be doing a lot better, like this listing right here. Now, they don't have free shipping, right? But they get you with the $2.62 plus the $8 shipping. So that way they're still making a profit, right? So that's their strategy right here. And you can test out that strategy because they do have 1.4 thousand sold, not too bad. And their first image definitely stands out. We could see that it's got a lot of colors, right? It's a humidifier, and it looks really nice in the background. But if we go through this a little bit more in depth, you'll see that it starts to get worse every image, right? So this image, it's looking pretty solid. It's still not that bad, but it's got these random leaves in it. Does that mean it's mint flavor? Who the heck knows? So you don't want to leave it up to guess for the customer. So keep that in mind. And then this image, it's just got way too much information on it that the customer probably doesn't need to know, right? So keep that in mind as well, where it says usage method, then it has all this random stuff that confuses the heck out of people. 330 milliliter. Who measures in milliliters in the US? Atomization exquisite. Makes no sense. So again, this is where things kind of go downhill, or is going to be the secondary images. Not only that, if we look at the description, this is the description. That's it. It's one sentence long. And it says you can add a small amount of water, but don't add too much. It just doesn't make any sense. So there's a lot of basic things that they could have done better, because when somebody really looks at this listing, they're not going to get the results that they want, right? People aren't going to be buying. They probably could have had 3,000 sales or even a lot more if they took a little bit of extra time to make those secondary images better, run it through some grammar, and then also add more to their description. They also don't have a video of them using the product or anybody using the product at all. So you can actually add a video on your listing. And if we just went through the checklist, you can see that the description is too short. There's no video on the listing, right? And then the secondary images need to be optimized. Right, and here's an example of a description, and it's a lot longer. We know you can, this isn't even something crazy, but it has the benefits, specifications, size chart. They could have added a little bit more to theirs, in my opinion. And now we're going through another example. Now their title, for me, is a little bit keyword stuffed, and I don't like how it has this random space right here. Right, you can kind of see right here, it's got a random space, and that might not be the best. It kind of looks a little off, but the first image definitely stands out. The secondary images are right to the point. They do a very, very good job at explaining the product. And those are the things that we want. And guess what? They also have a video. Nothing crazy, right? This isn't super high quality, but this does help the customer make the decision to purchase. And that's probably why they have so many sold. So making sure their main thing is going to be their title. So how to define a good product title? There's something called TikTok Shop Academy. Very basic, but it goes over how to define a good product title. It goes through flagging products, featured offers, things like that to make your listing better, right? And this is completely for free, so you can Google that. And you can also look at a client that we have been working with, and they're on TikTok Shop as well. And you can see Hickaway. You can see their strategy. You know, I'm not going to click on their listing. You can check it out yourself. But they've got 12,000 sold. And you can see that they're trying to showcase what the product is without even clicking on it. Stops hiccups fast, as seen on Shark Tank, right? And then they have the product right there. And obviously they have a video. They've got everything you need. So just following the basic checklist is how you get more views. Go through the checklist first before you decide to run all these ads or give away your product to affiliates. You want to make sure your listing is good first and foremost. If you do need help, right in the description, there is a link to contact us. And on our website, there's also a course that we create. It's up to you if you want a course. There's a lot of free content on our YouTube. I always just put it out there, how to sell on TikTok Shop, because people have been getting pretty good results. Within the last 20 days, we've got 7 enrollments. And again, I'm not even trying to push this, but we do have actual examples in here, like running TikTok advertising, how one of our clients made over $1 million using TikTok, 8 million, $100,000 a month, how I even generated my first sale doing affiliate, right? And then how I made the first sale actually selling. So you can kind of see all different sides as a buyer, as an affiliate, and as a seller, which is super important. Okay, that's it for today's video. Learn something new. Drop a like. If you're a TikTok, Amazon seller, we specialize in those. So you can drop a link and look in our description to contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.